Hi there, EWC students. I've created a quick little video here to show you how you are going to be able to add a comment section to your blog. I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to do this, and you're going to end up with something that looks like this. You'll be able to change the background to suit whatever you want. But you'll have something that says something like this: comments, please leave me a comment. And people will be able to give you comments. You'll be able to like other people's comments. You'll be able to respond to each other's comments. And the most recent comment will always be at the top here. And it's a prettier and I think more interactive way than we would have had before. There's all kinds of things that you could do. So for example, if I were to click on this little here and add this, I would have a title and I would say blog about music. And I would type in, I really liked your blog about music. And hopefully I would write more than that because that doesn't say too much. There's all kinds of things that I can do. I can upload here. I can upload files from my computer. I could insert a link that I wanted you to perhaps listen to about my type of music. I can do a little snapshot here, and I can click on more here, and I can actually capture video from my camera so I could respond with video. I could respond with my voice. I can draw on a canvas and post that there. And there's all kinds of different things that we can do. The program we're using here is called Padlet. Notice here it says it's anonymous, and that's because I'm not signed into Padlet right now. When you provide comments for each other, you'll have to be signed into Padlet so that you can see who's leaving the comments. So for example here, Miss Little made a comment here when she was signed in. Look at that, it's an awesome comment from Miss Little. And here I was signed in before, and so you can see my comment here. And as I say, there's all kinds of things that you can do to make it look really beautiful. So now I'm going to show you how to create your Padlet account and how to set it up so it looks something like this on your blog page. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to create a new tab, and you're going to type in padlet.com, and that's going to take you to Padlet. So it's free to sign up. All you're going to do is click on the little sign up here, and make sure that you're logged in properly with your student number at ddsbstudent.email sign in, and make sure you're using Chrome. And you'll see here it says sign up with Google. So I'm properly signed in. I'm clicking sign up with Google here, and there it'll say choose an account to continue to Padlet. I'm going to choose this. Make sure you choose your at DDSB student account and not your personal Gmail account. And here I am. There we go. Don't forget to drink water. Very good advice. It'll occasionally say that it wants to show you notifications. That's a personal choice. I prefer not to allow that, so I just click block. And all you're going to have to do here right now is to click on this where it says make a Padlet. So you're going to click on make a Padlet, and it's going to give you a bunch of choices. And the best choice, I think, for you to use is the stream here. So you're going to select stream, and it's starting our Padlet. And there is an interesting background here for me. It says my fancy stream. I'm going to be able to change that later. So this is my beautiful new Padlet. So I like the title. made with a wish on a star. It's all very nice, but really all I want is comments. And my description here might be, please leave me a comment and I will reply. And you can choose whatever wallpaper you want there. There's a whole whack load of choices for you there. And what I would suggest is you click on this right here, and that will show the author's name above each post. You want to keep this here so that the first post is the most recent post. I know you guys are a good class, and you're not going to say anything profane, but might as well throw that in there as well. And then click on here under collaboration. It says under comments. Allow your viewers to comment on posts so you can respond to a comment. And then I also like the reactions here. I'm not a big one for upvoting and downvoting, but I like the likes. So you can click on that little heart and it shows that you liked someone's comment. All right, so I've chosen all the things that I want to do here. You can always go back and change these settings later if you want. So I'm going to click next. And here what you want to do is you don't want to have it private because then only you can see anything. Password protected is a little bit of a pain. Let's keep it as secret. Secret means that the only people that are going to be able to see this Padlet are people that have the link to your web page. You don't want to put it public, just keep it secret. And keep it as those with access can write. All right, and that's all you want for here. So you click next again. And it has, okay, start posting. All right, and people will see this little plus down here, and they can click on that, or you can just double click anywhere. And notice I'm signed in now to Padlet, so it has my name. So signed in. Hi there. I am signed in. And there's my comment. Again, someone can respond to that comment. They can like that comment. Hey, I can even like my own comment. All right, so over here you'll see these three little dots. If you click on that, you can change format, you can modify, there's all kinds of things that you can do. What you want to do is click on where it says share or embed. And all you do is copy link to this Padlet. All right, that's automatically being copied to your clipboard. Now all you have to do is go to your blog page on your Google Sites, and let's go here. There's all my insert aspects. I'm going to click down here. I'm going to click on embed, and it's going to say by URL. And before we had you put the embed code in, but here we're going to use the default. It says paste the URL. It's already being copied automatically. So we're just going to press Control and V, and it's going to give us two options. One is just a preview, and the other is whole page. And you want to select whole page. So you're going to click on that, click on Insert, and it's going to automatically put that in for you there. Notice there's the comment from before. You can choose this little palette here and change your background. I usually go for emphasis 2. Makes it just a little easier to see. And you now have that comment for Padlet into your Google Sites. All you have to do now is go up to the top here and click on Publish, because no one will be able to see it until you publish it. And we want to view what it looks like. And here is the page loading up here. slow at Brooklyn High School today. And you'll see there's the first one that I did before. And then underneath, you will see the one that we just worked on together. Please leave me a comment and I will reply. And all people have to do is double click on there, and there's where they post their comment.